guys, welcome to the Love of Dirt YouTube channel. Today I'm super excited because we are going to be harvesting our mini blue popcorn. It's the first time we've grown a maize or a popcorn variety. Normally we stick to sweet corn. So I'm really excited to see how it turned out. So these are my blue, mini blue popping corns. So I've only ever really grown sweet corn before. So this is the first time growing a popcorn or a corn for making flour. So normally I've well and truly picked them by now. You can sort of see it's all drying out. But we're about to get a lot of rain. So I'm thinking that I might need to pull them out now. The one that I've just been taking little sneaky peeks of, but how pretty is that? So cool. I can't wait to make popcorn out of it. They're very small compared to the sweet ones we do. Oh, there's a worm. Joys of organic gardening, hey? Get rid of you. How cool is that? So here's the harvest. I think from about 20 plants we got about 50. So some had three or four cobs and some actually didn't have any. I might have overcrowded them. But yeah, so they are quite small. I guess that's where they get the name from, the mini. But there's little jewels. See, these are some of the smallest ones, but I'm going to give these a go to try and make our first batch of popcorn out of them. So they've been drying in a sort of breezy spot for the last 2 to 3 weeks. So I'm just going to try and get all of these kernels off and see how they go being popped. Let's go. So that's probably about half a cup of kernels there, and that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tiny little cobs. So, and there's a few still on that one because it had a caterpillar in it, but that's not bad considering that's probably off 2 plants. So I usually, when I cook it up for the kids, I only do about a tablespoon, so this should last at least a few weeks. And I've still got the big best ones hanging up, so not bad for a little crop of corn. So here they are, all popped. They actually look a little bit whiter. They're quite small, you can see. But yeah, pretty cool. We grew our own popcorn.